If you want to trigger client portals based on form submissions, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up using one of the best tools on the market, and I'll make sure it's clear, simple, and straight to the point. So first things first, why would you want to trigger client portals based on form submissions? Well, it's a great way to automate client interactions, save time, and give your clients a seamless experience. When a client fills out a form, whether it's for a contact request, a service inquiry, or anything else, it can trigger access to a custom portal where they can view their info, track progress, or even make payments. Now the process is simple, but it requires the right software. There are several platforms that can make this happen, and after testing the most popular ones, I'm recommending a great option in the description below, complete with an exclusive free trial just for you, the viewers of my channel. So stick around to get the details. The first step is to create a form. This might seem obvious, but it's important that your form collects all the relevant information you need from your clients. For example, you might want their name, email, project details, and anything else that's specific to the service you're offering. Once your form is ready, you'll need to integrate it with the software we're using. In most cases, the software allows you to connect your form directly via a built-in integration or a third-party tool like Zapier. Once connected, go into your software's automation settings. Here, you'll create a trigger. This is the part where the magic happens. For instance, when a form is submitted, you can set up an automation to automatically create a client portal for the person who just submitted the form. In the software's automation panel, you'll be able to map the form fields to the portal creation process. For example, if the form collects a client's name and email, the software will automatically use that information to create a new client profile and grant access to their portal. Now, this is where the customization comes in. You can decide what the portal looks like, what the client can see, and even add personalized content to it. For instance, you might want to show them a progress bar, a list of services, or an invoice tracking system. All of this can be set up automatically after the form is submitted. One important tip here is to always test your form and automation before going live. Make sure that when the form is submitted, the client's portal is being triggered correctly and the details appear as expected. And that's the basic process. Create a form, integrate it with the software, set up the automation, and customize the client portal. Simple, right? To quickly summarize, 1. Build your form with all the necessary fields. 2. Integrate your form with the software. 3. Set up the automation to trigger the client portal after a submission. 4. Customize the portal and test everything to make sure it's working. Now, don't forget, the software I'm using in this video is just one of the options out there, but I found it to be the most intuitive. You can find a link to an exclusive free trial in the description below, only for my viewers, so make sure to take advantage of that if you want to follow along step by step. The key takeaway here is that automating client portal access after form submissions can save you time and improve the client experience. It's all about efficiency, and setting this up will make your processes run smoothly. So go ahead, try out the free trial, set up your client portal, and start automating today.